Embodied carbon. The hidden, undercover, sneaky bits of emissions that all too often find their way into your building. But do not fear, we've got plenty of ways to keep these emissions at bay. Embodied carbon refers to the greenhouse gas emissions generated over a product's entire life cycle. This includes extraction, manufacturing, transportation, installation, maintenance, and disposal of construction materials, and other things that are used in the building. It was very important to us that as many materials as possible used here in the construction for the Climate Innovation Center had a low embodied carbon footprint. The first step in lowering our embodied carbon is retrofitting. We could have found an empty site for a brand new building, or torn down the existing building that was here and started from scratch. But then we would have wasted a massive opportunity to reduce embodied carbon. In fact, retrofitting an existing building emits 50 to 75% less carbon than constructing the same building from scratch, according to RMI. It may surprise you how many actions to reduce embodied carbon are made during the design phase of our building. We worked with a team of architects, commissioning agents, and construction professionals to identify which aspect of this existing 1951 building we could reuse, as well as which low-carbon materials were the best choice for the additions to the building. Some examples include, we eliminated steel and concrete framing wherever possible. In their place, we used mass timber solutions, such as glulam beams, wooden posts, and CLT, or cross-laminated timber ceiling panels. The mass timber products that we used are FSC certified, and we chose mass timber for its environmental benefits over traditional steel and concrete. By using the CLT, we reduced waste and saved time because the installation is a lot faster than alternative materials. CLT can function as walls, floors, ceilings, and roofs. CLT's thickness and length can be customized to meet the specific sizes that you need for each project. Remember, wood can be just as strong as steel or concrete, but has a much smaller carbon footprint. And there are so many material selections to make that can impact embodied carbon. From the carpets, the drywall, the paint, countertops, and even the tile, we picked materials with high recycled content and the lowest embodied carbon possible. For example, we selected countertops which are made of post-consumer recycled paper and certified by the Forest Stewardship Council. And we selected carpet tiles which are registered as carbon neutral through ISO-recognized carbon offsets. One of the carpet tiles is 70% recycled, and another is made from a bio-based material, and both are recyclable at the end of the product life. Whether it's mass timber, recycled materials, or carbon-neutral flooring, expand your mind to think about carbon emissions that are embodied in the materials and the products that we use to construct buildings, and look for low-carbon options.